Welcome, health warriors. Do you suffer from hip pain or knee pain? If so, then I highly recommend that you watch this testimonial from James. Now, James's testimonial is cool because it covers like a 3 to 4 year span of his experience with My Fit Life CBD. Like he started off with one product and moved to the other, and you'll hear his success in this testimonial. Okay, so let's get into it. I'd like to share with whomever may read this how I began using My Fit Life's Healthy Blend 25 milligram capsules. In April 2019, I had come to a point where I had to decide whether to take time off from work to schedule a hip replacement that I had been told I would eventually need, having had one side replaced in 2011. Problem was, it was in the beginning of a major project and we weren't fully staffed. I was working between 14 and 16 hours a day for about 3 weeks, and the pain was becoming unbearable. Near the end of the first week, my brother mentioned how he had been taking one of the 25 milligram capsules of CBD from Movida and applying the rolling relief once daily, and that he was no longer experiencing the pain he had been having in one knee that became even worse after having knee surgery to the point it prevented him from doing any walking or biking exercises. But now he was back to doing both. After reminding me of his relief, I was desperate enough to try it, even though I hadn't given much thought about all the hype over CBD. If this hadn't helped, I would have went out on medical leave to get hip surgery. To my surprise, I started to feel the pain subsiding within about 3 days, taking one 25 milligram a day, but not as much as I had hoped. After about a week, I went up to one in the morning and one at night, and that did the trick. I even tried another brand of 35 milligram capsules for about a month and came to realize all CBD is not created equal. So remember, he was doing 25 milligram capsules at this time. He tried 35 milligram capsules. They did not work for him from another company, and he went back to ours and they worked again. So fast forward, it's been about 3 years and I'm still no hip replacement. About 2 years ago, I started taking the 50 milligrams of the Essential Blend full spectrum capsules. And as one would expect, I've noticed even more of a difference. From my overall experience, My Fit Life has been a lifeline for my mobility. Thanks, James Brooks, Corona, California. So awesome, James. We're glad that the CBD works well for you and your family. So James has like he comes from a lineage of a woman from LA Unified School District. Then James's sister, who also works at LA Unified School District, was made aware of My Fit Life. She took the products, referred her brother who had the knee pain that James was speaking about. He took it, had success, and then referred his brother over to, which is James, and he took it and he has success, and he's referred several other people, along the way as well. So we don't do any advertising. We just rely on word of mouth, these reviews and testimonials and referrals. And we really do appreciate you, James, here at My Fit Life.